Ford has had a rough year for recalls, and the latest one affects more than 741,000 vehicles. And there's actually two separate issues going on here I'll get to in a minute, but first, if you want to stay up to date on the latest car news, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright, so Ford is recalling 741,195 vehicles in the US over a transmission defect that can damage the park system, which in turn could result in vehicles rolling away, the US National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said on Tuesday. The recall affects certain 2018 to 2021 Navigator and Expedition models, 2020 to 2021 Explorer and Lincoln Aviators, and 2021 F-150 vehicles. Now look, I've always said that any recall is bad news, but when your vehicle is just rolling away, that is very concerning, especially considering that these are larger SUVs and trucks affected by the recall. Good news is the dealers will update the software and inspect and replace any damaged transmission components free of charge as per NHTSA. But that's not all, okay? So in the beginning of this video, I did mention there were two separate issues, and the next recall relates to the Ford Bronco. Ford is also recalling 36,046 vehicles of its Bronco model in the US over improperly secured fender flares that can detach from the vehicle, becoming a road hazard and increasing the risk of a crash, according to NHTSA, where fender flares are the curved extensions above the tires that fit above the vehicle's wheel arches. Dealers will inspect and repair or replace the fender flares as necessary free of charge as part of the recall remedy, NHTSA said. So is this the sign of a major quality control problem? Well, as you may or may not know, Ford has had a busy year when it comes to recalls. In May, they recalled 179,000 Ranger and Bronco models in the US due to a loose bolt in the front seat frame. A seat with a dislodged bolt may not properly restrain an occupant in a crash. There was also a recall that affected more than 250,000 Focus sedans and hatchbacks from the 2012 to 2018 model years, where the entire recall population was previously incorrectly labeled as receiving the remedy for a recall filed in 2019. Now the recall defect itself stems from the canister purge valve, which may malfunction and cause the Focus to unexpectedly stall while driving. And then there were some smaller recalls this year. There was one issued for 2026 certain Lincoln Aviator models due to a faulty HVAC blower motor ground connection. Essentially, this defect could cause the windshield defroster and defogger to stop working, which reduces the visibility when you're driving and increases the chance of a crash. So we all know any automaker will have recalls, right? But as of late June 2026, Ford leads the auto industry in recall count, with Reuters reporting 51 recalls so far this year. And I think that was before this one issued today. So, does Ford have a major quality control problem? Well, in fairness, I think, most of these are older models, the older Focus models from 2012 to 2018. And then even the one today with the Navigator and Expedition models, 2018 to 2021, Explorer and Lincoln Aviator models, 2021 being the newest. I know that's not that old, but technically, we are talking 5+ years. So this does not mean every current Ford made today is unreliable, but there were definitely some quality control issues going on. Hopefully, those have been resolved. Only time will tell, and we will see what happens going forward. Hope this video helped. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.